Recording? Alright. Well, I'm changing a light switch, an older light switch. And Mom wants a different light switch here, so basically the first thing you should do is the sensible thing to do is basically take the screws out. Ooh, screwy! I am a big ass in the go shop.
Here, have a switch on your shoulder.
Okay. So, chances are, if you're an older house, you'll have paint all over your switch. So, just the sensible thing to do is just pop it out, and then down will go all the paint stuff. All right, and then next up, take a little looky-loo. Wow. Okay, so let's put. All right, that's fine. It's just passing the ground on to the main ground of the street. Sensible thing to do is one of two choices. One, you can simply flip your main breaker like I did to disconnect your switch, your power from your what it is you're manipulating, or you can just simply flip the breaker for what it is you're doing. So here's an old light switch. Yep, that's an old light switch. Boop, boop, boop. Built the last old light switches. Yay! And now we go from who knows how old to basically the new millennium. Woo!
Do you need directions on it? Let me go get the cover. We're not involved with it, destroy that. This is ridiculous. This is a cover for it. You don't need directions? Here, that looks uncomfortable. That better?
Yeah. Uncomfortable and a very powerful flashlight. Get in there.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Ren. I'm busy right now, dear. But I love you. You're so cute.
Get in there.
You're a cute little chihuahua. Yes, you are. That's a sweet Ren.
Tighten it down. Tighten it down.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Okay. Yeah, I thoroughly expected to drop that. No, replace the screws?
Yes.
Who knew?
Did you put the ground on and everything?
It's set up with the ground just being passed to the main ground from the street, so.
You got the switch on. I'm glad you're doing this. I hate that old ugly switch.
Hey, it might have been old, but it was built to last.
Yeah, it's probably as old as the house.
Alright, let's do the sensible thing.
Yeah, make sure it's gonna work first. got spots before. It's backwards, David.
What?
It's backwards. Down is on, up is off. It's backwards. You gotta fix it. It's the backwards light. The backwards light. The backwards light. It's the backwards light. You got it backwards, David. You got it, essentially got it upside down. Oh. I wonder what I stepped on.
If I pay attention, it's got the name of the light switch manufacturer right on it.
Yeah, you've got it upside down, see?
Which is written upside down.
Yeah, you've got it upside down. You see? Even the spelling is upside down. There you go.
That's no good. I'll pop the wire. On. I want to break that wire.
Ren!
With it. Hope it'll be fine.
You alright, baby? Huh?
Certain wire filaments are so stiff that if they increase the curve like that, then they snap off. So I got one that's a little at a tight angle. So hopefully it'll be fine.
Hopefully this time you got the right side up. Yeah.
Okay, let's go with a little less bright than this. I'm sick of seeing those.
I'm seeing spots.
I need a less bright rechargeable flashlight.
After using that, it looks like it's dark in here.
I'm using my flashlight.
I'm seeing spots still.
I know. It is very bright. Don't ever say super bright flashlight to me.
You got one, you don't need anyone brighter. I close my eyes, I still see spots.
I know. Yeah, this is one time I said, I need a super bright flashlight, so here you go.
I'm seeing spots. Red spots.
It does look dark in here compared to that flashlight.
Yeah, it does.
And I'm way over here and still seeing spots from it.
Okay. Very thing.
All right. Well, here it is. I knew switch with
Which
the cover.
is tied to a light that's less bright than my flashlight.
Alright, which is the next phase of doing this haul. As you can see, we got brand new covers and everything. See how beautiful they look? Now we've left this cover as is because that's the part, because that controls the furnace. So, and as soon as David's got the floor done.
Oh, that is done.
Well, this should set as soon as the material arrives, which I've ordered from Amazon. We're gonna start on the floor. That's what you're gonna see next, and then this haul will be done, other than the doors, and that's gonna come in a later date. So, thank you for watching the next phase and the remodeling of our haul. And I really like these. These were $5.94, which I got for $1.20 each. They were on clearance. I guess they couldn't sell well at Lowe's or something for some reason, but it's really, I think they're very nice. And it goes good with the contrast of the hall, and it kind of raises up the cover to be a little bit more attractive. So I like it. So thank you for watching this next phase in the remodeling of our halls. We appreciate all of our viewers and all of our subscribers and our patron. And as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkle's Corner. So just keep watching those videos from Sea Sparkle's Corner coming. We love you. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.